For measuring the transpiration, a device is known as photometer. This device measure the rate of water intake. Not actually it is measuring of the transpiration, but it measure the water intake. How much water is taken by the plant? It is supposed that this much is only transpire. So this is a measurement of the transpiration by the intake of water. This instrument is known as photometer. In this photometer, there is a one reservoir. This is filled with water. This is a whole instrument is of a glass. This is long tube. Here is a variegated or scale, you can say. Scale is fitted over here. And this is a part here. We insert the twig. And this is a beaker in which colored water is filled. Whole instrument is filled with water. In this part, we have to insert a twig of the plant which is cutted inside the water filled beaker. ये जो twig है इसको हम लोग plant से cut करके ऐसे water जिसके अंदर filled है उसी के अंदर cut करते हैं जिससे इसके अंदर air bubble insert नहीं हो सकता, air bubble insert नहीं हो पाए इसका. ठीक है, ये जो this is known as reservoir, इस reservoir में एक stopcock लगा है. If we have to want to adjust the air bubble, we again can fill the water from this reservoir to this tube. Okay? And this is a scale, and this is a beaker filled with the colored water. When we insert this twig and keep this apparatus in the sun, and there is a transpiration occur under the sun, and this twig absorb water from this part, and how much is water absorbed, that much can be enter from this beaker. So, for starting the experiment, first we have to insert the air bubble here by taking out this tube from the beaker out. Then air bubble can enter from here. After entering the air bubble, we can keep this apparatus in the sun, and when transpiration occurs, this air bubble can move from here. And how much this air bubble is moved, this distance can be measured from this scale, and this much transpiration is done. It can be measured from this Kenong's photometer. Again, I am going to explain, read it. A twig of some suitable plant cut with a sharp knife in a fix in an apparatus as shown in the figure. The entire apparatus is filled with water so that no air space are present. An air bubble is introduced into the horizontal graduated capillary. This is a graduated capillary. Graduated means it is fitted with a scale. We can measure the movement of the air bubble from this scale, which is dipping into the beaker containing water. A transpiration proceeds as the water is lost from the twig. A suction force is set up which pulls the water from the beaker, and the bubble in the capillary tube move along. The reading on the capillary tube would give the volume of water lost in a given time. The air bubble can be brought back to its original position by releasing some water from the reservoir. This is a reservoir into the capillary tube by opening the stopcock. This is a stopcock. By opening it, water can be enter from this reservoir to this tube. Okay. This is an apparatus which is used in the measuring of the transpiration. It is known as ganometer. Actually, it is measuring the intake of water. But apparatus, if question is asked, name the apparatus used for measuring the transpiration, that is a photometer. ठीक है? Precaution in the use of photometer. अब precaution क्या, जैसा तुमको हमने बताया था, इस स्ट्रिप को बाहर कट नहीं करना, वाटर के अंदर ही कट करना. अगर बाहर कट करेंगे तो इसमें वाटर एयर बबल एंटर हो जाएगा. जब हम वाटर के अंदर डाल के इसको कट करेंगे तो इसके अंदर एयर बबल नहीं होगा. और पूरी तरह से वाटर से टाइट होना चाहिए, वाटर अच्छे से भरा होना चाहिए, कहीं भी एयर बबल एंटर नहीं होना चाहिए जब तक हम लोग इसमें एंटर खुद नहीं कराएंगे. ठीक है? तो प्रिकॉशन, द पोटोमीटर शुड बी मेड कंप्लीटली एयर टाइट. द ट्विग शुड बी कट obliquely and under water to avoid suction of an air bubble into the twig, which will stop the absorption of water into the xylem. Limitations in the use of photometer. क्या लिमिटेशंस है, कितना ही यूज हम कर सकते हैं इसका. इंट्रोड्यूसिंग द एयर बबल इज नॉट वेरी इजी. जब एयर बबल हम लोग यहाँ पे एंटर करना चाहते हैं, ये इस कैपिलरी में निकाल के, वो भी बहुत इजी टास्क नहीं है, बट इट कैन बी डन. द ट्विग में नॉट रिमेन फुली अलाइव फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. दिस वाज अनदर लिमिटेशंस. जो हम लोग प्लांट से ट्विग निकाल के लाएंगे वो बहुत दिनों तक, बहुत देर तक नहीं रह सकती, क्योंकि उसको तो रूट्स नहीं है, उसमें रूट्स चली हट गई उसकी. एनी चेंज इन द आउटसाइड एयर टेम्परेचर में अफेक्ट द पोजीशन ऑफ द एयर बबल इन द कैपिलरी.